Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna quickly walk you through that how to transfer any file from your mobile phone to your computer. So we all have to transfer some file from our mobile phone to our computer. So if sometimes we don't have wire or USB cable, how we can manage to transfer our files to mobile phone from mobile phone to laptop. So watch this full video and subscribe this channel if this is helped you. So what you need to do first is you go to your computer screen like that. I'm gonna show you. Okay. After that you have to click on the search bar and type on share drop IO. So after that the website is will open like that. After that you have to click on go to on this plus bar icon right here in the right top corner. Then you can see here is an QR code and an URL to connect your device. You connect your phone to your computer. So what the next step you want to do is click on your mobile phone icon. Then after that you have to click on camera icon right that you have to go to your camera. Okay, I'm gonna show you that how to connect it. After that you have to click on the Google Lens option right computer screen showing the link. You have to click on this, then you have to go to on this link like that. After that you can see the computer and the phone is connected successfully. The both devices are connected now. So what you're gonna do, if you need to send the file from your mobile to your laptop, you have to click on your laptop right here. Okay, so here is three option. You can pretty much click a selfie and send it to your computer, or otherwise you can select file and send it to your computer. So we are gonna click on files right that. After that you have to select that which file you wanna send to your computer or your PC you wanna transfer. Okay, I'm gonna select this one right here. So after that here is an pop-up that do you want to send this file to your PC, that if you have to confirm, then you have to click on the send button right there, like that. After that in your computer you have to click on the got it option right here. Then here you can see my phone is want to send the file to my laptop. You can decline or save this. You have to click on save like that. It's loading. Okay, the file is going to your computer from your phone. Okay, if you like this video please subscribe this channel and leave a comment in the comment section that if it helped. So if when the file is transferred, the file will be in your download folder like that. I'm gonna show you in this video later on. Okay, the file is receiving. This is pretty much a big file. Okay, that's why it takes time. Okay, like that you have to click on the download option like here, and click on the show in folder option. Here you can see this is the folder and this is the
Hey
file I have
guys,
sent
in
from
this
my
video I'm
phone
going
to
to
my
quickly walk
computer.
you through that
So this
how
is
to
the detailed review and detailed tutorial that how you can send any file from your mobile to your desktop or computer, laptop, anything, just like that, without any USB cable. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel. Peace.